Meaning of gogga.
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 Gogga. Gogga is a colloquial term used in South African English to refer to small insects or creepy crawlies. The word is derived from the Afrikaans language, which is widely spoken in South Africa. It can describe any small flying or crawling creatures, including flies, ants, spiders, and beetles. The use of gogga is typically informal, and it is commonly used by children and adults alike. In South African culture, gogga is often used in playful language to refer to anything small or insignificant.